Alright, it's time to reassemble the tensioner. And this machine, the tensioner is affixed with a bolt, and then it has a very complex release pin in there, which I did not remove. And then there is a soft washer here on the stem. So getting the take-up spring off doesn't need to happen unless it's really dirty. You can work it off over the end of the stem, or you can go inside and remove the main tensioner, the whole thing, with a bolt on the back. But there's a soft washer, and then the inside disc has a slot that needs to get, so you have to align the disc with the slot in the stem, and then pull the take-up spring up to push the disc over the take-up spring, and then let the take-up spring come back down in the slot on it. Then we've got our other tension disc, which has the indicator point on it for the tension dial. So that needs to go on with the point facing forward so that the dial means something. This very, very flat beehive spring. And we've got our stop washer here, and the pin on the back of the dial is between 2 and 3, so that stop washer has to be facing up. And then we've got our nut here, so we can put that on, and then the dial here has a little set screw on it, a hex set screw, so you can set your tension so you're getting a nice sewing pattern, and then just put the dial on and set it for, put it on the marker at 4 or 5 or whatever you've got. So I'm gonna leave this until I get the tension adjusted, so that it's sewing very nicely, and then I will put the dial on and set the dial at 4 or 5.